No, I guess I did turn it up. Oops. Is all this upside down? Is that what you're telling me? Oh, this might have been upside down the whole time. Awesome. I can't wait to learn how to edit. That's why everything needs wheels. Well, maybe this is upside down.
Get rid of this goddamn transmission.
I thought that was... Doesn't that belong to somebody?
Yeah.
What's it go into?
David, it goes to a expedition.
Oh. All right. Well, thank you very much. This was our podcast for the evening that involved Tomahawk Night and Who Would We Cast from the Warner Brothers Room. Still didn't do Pinky in the Brain. Oh, there's so many possibilities.
Oh, there you go. Pinky in the Brain.
Saruman.
For Sauron and for Sauron
Grandma.
and the voice of Sauron.
Yeah, there you go.
The mouth of Sauron.
Noff. That was. Oh, the Hobbit's life. Noff. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone. Like and subscribe.
Happy St. Swithin's Day. Thank you.
Swithin's Day. Yes.